If your ad is ever been disapproved or limited due to enabling dishonest behavior, then I'm here with an amazing case study regarding enabling dishonest behavior on Google Ads. Okay, but for those who don't know, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Ads partner company, and we provide help with Google Ads, Google My Business listing, Google Merchant Center, and SEO and landing page and web development services. In case if you need such services of me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the enabling dishonest behavior case study. And for those who don't know, enabling dishonest behavior, if you search around the Google may assume that when you are trying to mislead others, your ad may have an error like enabling this dishonest behavior, especially when you try to deceive your audience and when you try to provide with them hacked information, so unethical information or illegal information, or where the Google does not think that this work is being approved as an ethically it's something right. And that scenario as well, your ad can be labeled as enabling dishonest behavior. Now the other scenarios Google has also listed on their website, which may seems like hacking services, stealing car, radar jammers, changing traffic signals, or other things, spyware technology, and used for intimate partners and other services as well. So there can be two scenarios. In one scenario, it's being legally, you have your website being being accused of having this. In that scenario, you may have to sort out your website, but there are other scenarios as well where Google has mistakenly labeled your website for enabling dishonest behavior. Now I'm over here going to share you a website and how we are going to sort it out. So I'm going to share you. This is one of the website, and on this website you may see over here that we have an error of eligible ad but policy enabling dishonest behavior. Now when we had cite this, and when Google labeled as this, sometimes it happens that if your trustworthy reviews are not working and you just have shown it, your ad can be disapproved due to misrepresentation or enabling dishonest behavior, but we were not doing it. So what we did was, we did some audit, we did some changes on the website, like providing, sorting out the contact us page, looking on the order now page, trying to do everything including the checkout, making sure SSL security certificate on the website, and every other compliance. For those who don't know, we have been sorting out Google Merchant Center and Google Ads disapprovals with 160 plus step checklist. And if you move around on our other videos, you may have seen that we look at it even around on if you see the payment methods over here, usually the websites have, and if they do not exactly match on the checkout, your ad can also be disapproved. So Google is very concerned. We did everything, plus we also provided a DMCA protection, plus we look for plagiarism, plus we look for broken links, we look for the placeholders and other issues. Plus simultaneously we had a discussion with Google team regarding this. Being a Google partner, we had a dedicated support which helped us in sorting out. And then after several discussions and instances, we got this ad approved. You can see over here that the ad is now eligible. I'm going to refresh in front of you guys as well to show you that the ad is now being approved over here with shown me as eligible. Now moving on to the appeal, I'm going to show you which one of my staff members got it. Good afternoon, Zargam is one of my team members, and thank you for contacting Google Ads support. I'm sure the Google Ads specialist, and I will be assisting you. We understand that you are experiencing an issue with the Google Ads account due to a limited ads policy violation relating to enabling dishonest behavior. I'm pleased to inform you that we have raised an appeal on your behalf to resolve this issue. As a result, the appeal has been successful and the enabling dishonest behavior violation has been resolved. Please allow 48 to 72 hours for these changes to be fully reflected on your account. If you have any additional questions or need clarification, feel free to reach out. So this is another successful case study, and you can see that the ad is no longer being known limited in enabling dishonest behavior like it was previously. So now again, for a policy check, we sorted out everything. We did cross check on all the website for the compliance. We did the checkout procedure check. We added few things in the disclaimer. We added few things in the contact us page, about us page. Plus, we also worked on the content context of the word. Sometimes the word can shift our ad disapproval to unreliable claim, or enabling dishonest behavior plus dedicated support, discussion with Google, sort asking for a manual review to verify the page for that it's compliant and have no issues, got it approved. So yeah, in case if you need help with Google Ads disapprovals, if you need help with the Google Ads suspensions, Google Merchant Center account suspensions, Google Ads management, SEO services, Google My Business services, or landing page services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching again. Take care and bye bye.